Hello friends, I am Labdhi Surana and today we will be learning about recurring decimals and terminating decimals. Now terminating decimals are decimals which have limited digits after the decimal point. For example, take the fraction 1 by 4 which is equal to 0.25. Now 0.25 is a terminating decimal because there are only two digits after the decimal point and they are not repeating. Now recurring decimals. Recurring decimals have a repeated pattern of digits after the decimal point. For example, take 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is equal to 0.333 and so on. Now instead of writing 3 again and again, we can simply just write 1 3 and put a dot on top of it, which will explain that it is a recurring decimal. Now what to do if the recurring decimals are a set of digits? Take the example 1 by 7 which is equal to 0.142857. Now and it goes on and on. Now as you can see the digits 142857 are repeating itself. We can simply just write those digits and put a dot on the start digit and the end digit to show that these set of digits are a recurring decimal. Now, have you ever thought how to find out whether a fraction is recurring or terminating just by taking a look at it? Well, take the example 19 by 15. Well, can you tell me, is this a recurring fraction or a terminating fraction? If you don't know, then here's the trick. First, let's factorize 15. Let's see if this comes in the table of 3, 11 or 13. Well, 15 does come in the table of 3 because 3 5s are 15. So now let's see if 19 is divisible by 3 or 5. No, then it is going to be a recurring decimal. Now in this case, if instead of 19 it was 18, 18 is divisible by 3, so it would have been a terminating decimal because 18 is directly divisible by 3. Thank you.